This is John from Storm Stoppers. I learned many years ago, never ever trash a competitor's product unless the competitor's product is so hideous and unsafe and hard to put on and off, and in which case open season. So these are Florida product approval. You know, it's not safe unless it's approved, meaning it's not safe unless you're gonna be killed in your home trapped behind Florida product approval shutters. So first you gotta wear gloves. These will slice your hands. Wait a sec, I thought they were safe. Anyways, to take these off, here we go. Oh, so that took maybe about 30 seconds. So unlike Storm Stoppers, these Florida product approved shutters, you gotta have gloves, and then you gotta have patience. And anyways, you get the idea. These are a pain in the you know what. So if your home has these, call Storm Stoppers for our safe, simple, and self-installed. Plus, safe. There's that word again, safe. Our product's actually safe because you can push it out from the inside in an emergency. Anyways,